Hi, California Probate Attorney Scott Grossman here, and today I'm answering the question, when do I get my money from the probate? Well, that's not as simple a question as you might think. The short answer is, nobody's supposed to get anything until probate closes, and how long that will take will depend upon the assets that are going through probate and also the county that you're in. There are very big differences in California from one county to another. In some counties, if everything goes smoothly and everything is done right the first time during probate, you may be able to close the probate in as little as 10 months. Now, I know some people have heard that and say, as little as 10 months? Are you kidding? Well, this is probate. There are certain things that have to happen. There's no way around them, and a fast probate in those counties would be 10 months. There are other counties in California where if everything goes right the first time and everything goes just the way it's supposed to at each step in the process, you're still looking at a minimum of 1 year and 2 months before the probate is going to close. That's just the nature of probate, and it's actually the last thing that happens in probate, the last pleading that gets filed with the probate court that asks the judge for an order telling the executor or the administrator to distribute the estate. So that's when beneficiaries get paid. Now, there's one important exception to this, and that is an executor or an administrator does have the ability during the course of probate to file a petition for a partial distribution. And a partial distribution is just what it sounds like. The executor or the administrator has to be able to tell the court everything that's actually in the probate estate, so the judge understands what the value of the estate is. It's also important to report any liabilities so the judge has an understanding of what the net value of the estate is. With that information present, then the court can make a determination if the request for a partial distribution can be granted. And this is completely discretionary. A judge can say no for any number of reasons, and the judge will be right, simply because the judge is allowed to decide. And similarly, if the judge says yes, it's going to happen. So understand, in almost every probate case, the vast majority of them, you're not going to actually receive your share of the estate until the end of probate.